Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1972 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Definitely a beautiful truck back in its day and to today, featuring that nice Chevy orange and white exterior two-tone, having the star style wheels on it to give it more of a cool retro look. As you can also see, you got that nice bed painted the same Chevy orange as the rest of the truck. Moving on to the interior now, having that very nice comfortable bench seat in cloth/leather material. As you can see, they also had that Chevy orange in there because I guess they really love Chevy so much. You do have the 3-spoke black Chevy aftermarket steering wheel with tilt column. Definitely helps on the leg room, even though this truck provided enough leg room for 3 to even 4 people. As you can see, we have the stock cluster. One of the nice additions to this truck is the fact that they have the tach right in the middle of the speedometer and fuel gauge. Sometimes they left blanks, sometimes they had clocks, and sometimes they had tachs. But other than that, you still have your basic functions. Even the old school AC Delco radio in it. Definitely nice to keep it original. Definitely gives it a more beauty of a classic. But other than that, you just have your basic functions, crank windows. You got the very cool, nice armrest, even with the little cubby to hide your personal stuff in there. Other than that, moving into the engine bay now, featuring that small block 350 engine. Very original looking, as you can see from the pictures. And that is definitely the way to go, especially when you bring it to shows. Every day you see a car now, they have been upgraded with sniper, chrome valve covers. It really takes away from the original look, but now with this truck is definitely the one that you want to take home. But as for now, though, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on our lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.